Hi kids, today we are painting the shapes. Let's say the name of these shapes together. First shape is star. We are painting with green color.
Basket, I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it.
Second shape is circle, and we are going to paint with sky blue color.
A tasket, a green and yellow basket, I wrote a letter.
Next shape is hexagon, and we are painting with orange color.
A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
This is rectangle. Rectangle real purple color. Fifth color is triangle. Triangle real green color.
A basket, I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it.
Last shape is square. We're painting with red color.
It in his